Hello friends, in this tutorial I'm going to show you how to add filter in your Tableau sheet. So as you can see, I already have imported some data here, and now I'm gonna drag one of these to here in the columns and this to the row, just to show you. So let's say I want to add filter to this particular column, date. Right click on this and then filter, and you can adjust this as you want. When you're happy, click OK. And then it is appearing out under the filter menu here, as you can see, as we click OK. Similarly, you can do it here. And also, let's say you want to add a filter, another filter into this, and that is season. We can just drag it here. And similarly, you can choose and adjust as you want, and when you are happy, click OK. So the other way is to add filter to the entire worksheet is to go to worksheet and then action, and from here add action and filter. So here you can adjust everything as you want and hit OK when you are happy. So friends, this is how you can add filters to measures and dimensions and also into the entire worksheet. I hope this tutorial will help you. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time.